Okay. So, hello Mana, I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 18 in GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering paper. Would you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, my name is Manna Mukherjee, and I am doing my BTech from Dibrugarh University Institute of Engineering and Technology, and I'm currently in my third year and pursuing fifth semester. And I secured Get All India Rank 18 this year.
Okay. So, what is your views on petroleum engineering?
Basically, as I decided to study petroleum engineering right from my 12th because someone from my family has already been in this field. So he said me that it has a wide approach. But as I came to my branch, so I started liking the things that I did experiments about it. Like recently, I'm doing a project about the poor point depression in crudes. So it's really interesting about my branch. So I'm happy to get it.
Okay, that's great. So, what is your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021, and how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
I'm in my third year, so it's obviously my first time, and
Okay.
I secured 827 marks.
Okay. So, when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE exam as a serious career option, and when did you start preparing for the examination?
Uh, right from my admission in BTech, I somehow got to know that there is something called GATE because
Okay.
before that I was supposed to give JEE and all, so it was not very much clear. So from my seniors, I get to know about GATE, and right from my second year, I started preparing for GATE because I somehow knew that I'd be giving it in fourth year, but IIT Bombay has made it possible for us to give it in the third year itself.
Okay, that's great. So, when did you choose GATE over other career option? Like, there are people who prefer CAT or government jobs. So, why did you choose GATE over all those other career options?
To be obvious, I wanted to join PSU, and I knew that GATE score is something that would make it possible. And on the other hand, like some people also give GRE. My friends are preparing for GRE, so but I don't think that I'm not comfortable with it. So GATE is something like I'm getting my field to study, but in CAT GRE you get some different fields.
Okay. So, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering examination?
It was quite easy this time because if you compare it with paper of 2020, uh, matlab, yes, 2000, you will get that it's quite easy as compared to 2021. Matlab, 2021 is like even in 2016 the paper was so easy, but 2021 just broke that record, and this time the paper was way too easy than I expected it to be.
Okay, that's good. So, did you take up any coaching? How did it help you in securing All India Rank 18 and GATE 2021?
I joined Institute of Petroleum Engineering's IPE this time, so they helped me a lot because before that I used to self-study. So there are some things you would know that cannot be cleared by self-study because some things like in drilling also we say that directional drilling there is a part. So that I have studied from TA English, but that particular thing was not yet clear. Still, Hemant sir from IPE made it clear to us.
Okay, that's good. So, which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE 2021 examination? And would you like to suggest few books which will help to crack the examination?
So, if I talk about the books, there is not any particular book basically in our branch. Like, for if we go for reservoir, there are books like I followed Tariq Ahmed, it's the Bible as everyone knows about it. Then comes Ursin, I don't know the full name, sorry, but it's Ursin, everyone would know about it. Then I followed Abhijit Dandekar and one more book, Amix. So that four books I followed for reservoir engineering. If we go for drilling, then I followed Harriet Watt, H. Rabia, then Roberto Samuel. These three books are more than sufficient for drilling. Then
Okay.
coming to production, there are actually forgot the name of the author, but six set of books are there. Two surface production, volume one, volume two. It is Arnold, something Arnold was there about him. And one more book is that is the main book, that is Bo on Go, or Galalambur we say it. So for production engineering, in similar sequence for formation evaluation, we go for Paul Glover, and so on. There is a list. If you need it, I can prepare it for you.
Okay, so I'll ask for it. So, what are some important topic that should be like focused while preparing for GATE examination? For competitive examination, we always think that these topic we must do. These are the most important topics. So, for your examination, like GATE 2021, what were the most important topics?
Uh, if we talk about my study, then I studied almost everything living behind HSE, that is health and safety. That's too big and only 1 or 2 marks come from it, so I left it out. And I'm having my semester exam, so it was not possible for me to cover it up. So HSE, that particular thing, I left it up. Then of the most important thing, if I talk about, then we should first study. That what I did was to start from reservoir, because it is the base. From reservoir you can get it about what is petroleum engineering actually, what we are drilling about, what is the thing downhole that we are going to drill, that particular sort of thing. So in reservoir, if I talk about, then that capillary pressure. This time the question on capillary pressure were way too easy, but I don't expect that in 2022 it will be so,
Okay.
because every year capillary pressure questions are like twisting and turning. To get it correct, you will get a rank booster of about 10 times. So,
Okay. So, what was your preparation as well as revision strategy?
I started preparing from the secondary itself, as I've already said you, from September 2019, I guess. So I once completed my syllabus. Then in August 2020, I joined IPE. So till then, I revised my notes once or twice, I guess. So then I appeared for one in our college also. One all India level test was there about, that is somehow like GATE. So there I secured rank 1. So they also guided me that I should prepare for GATE more thoroughly about it. They introduced me some books that I previously didn't knew about. Then I joined IP after that. So they let me clear all my topics, and leaving behind that ACT card I've already said about it.
Yeah. So, in competitive examination, time management is very important during examination. So, what was your time management strategy for attempting questions in exam?
See, if we talk about GATE, then there are 65 questions in GATE, and we approximately get 3 minutes for each question. Right. So everyone knows that that particular 3 minute, in some questions we need more than 3 minutes, and in some we need less than 3 minutes. But our approach should be right. We should take 3 minutes only for a particular question. If at the first go we don't get the answer of that particular question, or we are confused, then we can just mark it for review and just keep on to the next question. After completing the paper, then we can jump back to that particular question and get it the correct way if we want it.
Okay, so that's nice. So, how did the current, pandemic situation affected your studies and routine?
If I say about it, then people will just be angry. But to my opinion, the pandemic helped me a lot. I got
Okay,
relief from my semester studies, so I could prepare for GATE.
okay, so that's nice. So, how was this year's GATE pattern different from previous year examinations?
Pattern, like if I say pattern is not much different, but this time the questions were too easy framed, because the capillary, as I've said you, the capillary question, if you compare it with 2022 paper, then you will see that the capillary question is way too easy. Just they asked us to find the height, which is quite too easy for anyone who knows about it.
Mm.
Then there are questions like, one more thing I want to say, that this time what IIT Bombay has does, that it gave marks even to some to people who didn't get it the correct answer. That boosted their rank. There are some
Okay,
situations like, so that's if this could have been correct, then it would have boosted my rank a little more.
okay. So, would you like to throw some lights on GATE 2022 petroleum engineering aspirants?
I would just say that whatever topic you are studying about, whatever be it a small topic, be it a large topic, just get into the root, because every topic has got its basic points. Like well testing, as I've said, there is a part called dimensional analysis. People generally leave it that it wouldn't come in GATE, but it should have been studied, because it gives us a broad aspect about what is actually well test. So I just say that whatever topic you are studying, just get it thorough. so that any question that comes from it, you can attempt it in any way.
Okay, so that's good. So congratulations once again for securing All India Rank 18 in GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering Examination. Thank you for giving us your valuable time, and Find My
Thank you,
Test team
Kriti.
wishes you all the best for your bright future.
Thank you.